Farm life is a beautiful rhythm of simplicity and hard work, where each day begins with the golden glow of sunrise and the soft sounds of nature waking up. The air feels fresher, the sky seems wider, and time moves a little slower. Mornings are spent tending to fruit-bearing trees, watering vegetable plants, feeding animals, and checking the ponds as fish ripple across the water's surface. There is something deeply fulfilling about planting seeds and watching them grow, about harvesting food with your own hands and sharing meals made from what the land provides. Evenings bring calm reflections by the lake, gentle breezes through the fields, and a peaceful gratitude that city life rarely offers. Farm life teaches patience, resilience, and appreciation for the small blessings that bloom quietly each day.